guys, what's up? It's Andrea Jacobs here. So today I'm doing the July Ipsy bag unboxing. I kind of already opened it because I was really excited. I saw one of the products and then I was like, this is super cute, I need to film this. I live by an airport, so I didn't really think it through, and here we are. So now we're gonna have to deal with that. This is the bag, the July bag. This is so cute. I think this is my favorite bag that they've ever done. It's just such a summer look. It even kind of matches my horribly painted nails. So this is the first thing. Guys, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen, like, for a skincare product. It's called the Real Egging Pack Moisturizer. It's an actual egg. It's a moisturizing egg. Amazing. 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 Before I looked at the back, I'm like, this has to be Korean, because Korean and Japanese stuff tend to be like super cute, but I think it's Korean. And it is. It's made in Korea. See, it kind of gives you the instructions. So you get this little spoolie and you mix the insides of the egg. It looks like a legitimate egg on the inside, and then it turns into a moisturizer, which I think is super smart of them because eggs are actually really moisturizing. So I think they took that concept and like made it into a moisturizer. But yeah, it says main ingredients are egg yolk extract and hydrolyzed eggshell membrane. That sounds delicious. This is a one single use overnight mask with moisturizing and skin firming effects from real egg ingredients. As little as 20 minutes, it leaves your skin hydrated and firm. High skin helps skin appear more visibly radiant and glow. I love whoever wrote this doesn't really know English too well. It's kind of sad that there's only one use to this, but yeah, so from what I understand, this is a overnight mask. But it's so cute. It's gonna be so hard for me to use this. If you guys want me to make a separate video where I try all these products out, I will do that. I have so many of these that I tend to just leave these for like months until I actually use them. So if you're interested in seeing a video about this, I will definitely do it for you guys. I'm gonna take my hair out though because I don't like it. Guys, I just started using this thing and I don't know if I like it or not. Then I have this Hancure Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. So I asked them to give me a lot. Mom, say hi to the YouTube video. So I asked Ipsy specifically to send me a lot of hand creams and like skincare products because that's really what I'm into right now. I'm a lifeguard, so like this is my holy grail right here. Anyway, those are the two products. Oh wait, I didn't even like sample it for you guys. What am I doing? Okay, so it comes with a little safety peel off metal thing that we all know what it is, but we don't know what to call it. Ooh, that smells so good. Wow. So, what can I... This smells like a perfume, and it's really like strong. But it smells like fresh flowers. God, how many planes are gonna go by? It's taking off. Bye, have a safe flight, everybody. All right, so the next product I have is this brush by Luxie, Luxie Beauty. So it's a Luxie 1010 small contour brush. I really like the shape, the colors. I don't know what I would use this for. It says contour, but I don't know if I'd use it for contour. I'm sorry for the horrible lighting, guys. It's really cloudy out right now and it sucks. Welcome to Florida. Then I have this product which popped out of the box. This is actually kind of trippy. At first I saw color, but then I saw club. It was like really well made. It says nail lacquer, but clear. I have no idea what this is. Made in India though. Oh my god, it's a nail polish. I've never seen a color like this actually. It's a lot more bright in person. I don't know, I think I'd use this for my toenails, but I don't think I'm bold enough to use this on my fingernails. So anyway, I got a full-on nail polish. See what it says. It says Color Club Nail Polish in Miss Robinson. This female-founded brand creates imaginative, one-of-a-kind colors in their New York-based manufacturing plant. That I agree. It is very one-of-a-kind for sure. I've never seen a color like that. Revamp your mani for summer with this vibrant electric purple shade. It's eye-catching, long-lasting, and an all-color club polish. It's cruelty-free. Oh, that's nice. You know what? This looks like Barney. This color is Barney's color. So then I got this full size, holy crap guys, Pacifica Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. Why did they wrap it like this? It's really cute though guys. Aw, this just makes me like think of summer. Oh, of course. I hate this tape that they put on here. Like, oh my god. Not only did you bubble wrap it, but now you put this tape on it. I hate, who else hates tape like this? That's like right on the corner of the packaging. It's so hard to get off. Alright, so it says Bronze Rose, Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer, Rosy Blush and Bronzer Duo to take you into summer even if it's only in your dreams. That's kind of depressing. Universally flattering, shades Wild Rose and Desert. 100% vegan, cruelty free. That's something that I do like about the Pacifica brand. Everything's like cruelty free and vegan, and the products are pretty natural. Guys, I can't get this undone. What is up with these packaging? I vote for new types of packaging because it's so frustrating to get undone. Ooh, it comes with a mirror, guys. Oh my god, this is Inception. I love packaging like this. It's so innovative. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, it smells like summer and kind of like plastic a little bit. Ooh, it smells good though. So this is the blush. That's my face. It's really shimmery and pretty. It's kind of like a highlighter. And then this is the bronzer. I'm just gonna show you it on my finger. Yeah, it's a nice, decent bronzer. It's a bit too light for my skin color right now though. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to continue this Ipsy bag unboxing video, then just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. If you have any ideas for any future videos that you'd like me to create, please let me know down below. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your summer, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
After I hit metamorph, hey, I am a dog or a boy.